कॉस्ट बेसिस में ये प्रॉब्लम होने वाली है। और दूसरा है कि आज जो भी कल ही लाइफ के बेसिस में रेगुलेटर ने बोला है कि सरेंडर वैल्यू, आई थिंक यू saw that. I saw that. Yeah. वो सरेंडर वैल्यू पे उन्होंने को लगा दिया कि सरेंडर वैल्यू मिनिमाइज होगी। तो जितने भी जो ब्रोकर्स है ना मार्केट में, जिनकी 60%, 65, 70% परसिस्टेंसी है, जो नॉर्मली है, वो सब एलिमिनेट हो जाएंगे या उनकी कमीशन कम हो जाएगी। और आई एम द बेनिफिशियरी, क्योंकि माई परसेंट आवर परसिस्टेंसी इज 96%।
Right. And Yogita, of our total premium last year, how much is coming from renewal? How much is coming from new?
Yes, last year renewal premium in the life segment.
Uh, in life.
In life is a 114 crores premium is 114 crores is from the renewal, and 63 crores sorry, but 75 crores are from new business last year.
Got it. And the car business?
कार बिजनेस में एक्चुअली हम कार बिजनेस में चाहिए वी कंसीडर ऑल न्यू बिजनेस, मतलब ऐसा नहीं रिन्यूअल रिन्यू क्योंकि अभी ये कौन सी डेड हो जाती है, विच इज परसिस्टेंसी, अवर परसिस्टेंसी 86%। तो मतलब 15% इज अ न्यू बिजनेस बोल सकते हैं कि रिन्यूअल 86%, क्योंकि फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर हम ऐसे काउंट करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ईयर की परसेंट मेरी 86% मेरी परसिस्टेंसी होगी। तो एवरी ईयर हम यूज करते हैं कुछ कुछ, बट कंट्रोल करते हैं, बट जस्ट रिन्यूअल है जिसका जिसका क्लेम आ गया वो हमारे पास इंटैक्ट हो जाता है।
Understood. Got it.
एक्चुअली अवर फोकस इज ना, पहले हम क्लाइंट स्लाइड देखते हैं, लेट्स सी स्लाइड फर्स्ट डिस्कस या साथी प्लीज।
Okay, so let me brief about this. The this on this slide. So post COVID, we decided that now we should go on business transformation and to focus more on technology. Primarily, our focus was not into the technology because of again the technology has certain level of the cost. So the priority was altogether different. But the post COVID, it was completely decided to go on the technology transformation, and that's why we started working on very aggressively and very robustly way into the technology. So if we compare the financial year 20 and the 23, so we were having the take alliance partners to Honda and Kia, while in financial year 23 using the technology we reached up to 30. So but that include your Honda, Kia, Park Plus, DriveView, and there are several others. In financial year 20, we were having the 15 the tech partners, tech employees, professionals. While in financial 23, we are having 70, where we have been added 55 professionals in this current year, and we are into the process to adding some more. So also we are in an employee in life product. We were in financial year 20, we were having 1123, while in financial year 23 we reduced down 832, and now figure is 291. And this figure, because of we cater that market through the technology. We use our technology through instead of making the branches, making the resources or man driven process, we develop our technology. So we cover entire system through the technology. Then total employees strength, if we see here, so that is in the financial year 20, that was your 1434, while in 23 it is close to 600. Again this figure is the getting down because of the technology. Again we reduce the man driven process to the system driven process, and we develop the technology, and making that kind of a system from where we reduce the resources from the operations, QA, and so all the set of the angles we reduce the resources through the technology. And earlier, obviously, since we were not into the aggressively into the technology in the financial 20, so that entire sales process was and approach was a feet on a street. But now we are completely focused on the technology, and not only the technology, we are not just developing the technology and we are just making a copy and paste of other competitor process, but also we are doing certain kind of the innovation, certain kind of the artificial intelligence. We are into the process to adding, because we are into the AI era. Also we are doing a lot of digital transformation internally, and we are exploring into the market how we can do better way into the new market as well, right? And the
Actually,
because
like to add,
please,
I
please,
would
please,
like
Manoj.
to add some more thing. इसमें actually after COVID ना we realized कि अब this is the time to come with the technology. Before that we मतलब अब आप दूसरे के अभी टेक्नोलॉजी पे नहीं आते क्योंकि they are burning मतलब कोई मुझे फायदा नहीं होगा आने का. पर after COVID we decided कि yes तो आते तो we started technology transformation November 2020. 21, sorry, 21. So we started from here. After that, we doubled the business almost in 3 years. And अच्छा एक और बात है कि जो उस टाइम ये था कि आज भी ना 1% मार्केट शेयर है ऑनली डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म का. 1% की क्यों 85% ऑफ द रिटेल बिजनेस लाइक हेल्थ मोटर लाइफ टर्म इंश्योरेंस 85% इज डिजिटल इंश्योरेंस. मतलब कोई भी अगर मैं भी खरीदूंगा तो पहले मैं देखूंगा कौन सी बाजार या किसी और साइट पर मैं देखूंगा बट मैं लूंगा ही. तो पर सक्सेस रेशियो इज ओनली 1%, राइट? तो मतलब 85% जितना मार्केट में जितना भी पॉलिसी हो रहा है रिटेल का वो 85% एक बार चेक हो रहा है डिजिटली. उसके बाद 1% कन्वर्जन है. आई थिंक इट इज अ फेलियर. तो दिस इज एज ऑफ नाउ वी आर दैट्स व्हाई वी टेक टू अप्रोच B2B कि मैं खर्चा नहीं कर सकता. अगर मैं B2C का हूँ तो मुझे खर्चा करना पड़ेगा ब्रांडिंग का. तो बेटर है कि मैं B2B बनाऊँ. तो B2B पे हमने टाइप शुरू किए और वी एलिमिनेट एको इन मैनी प्लेयर्स एंड वी एलिमिनेट टर्टल बेट. हमने उनको रिप्लेस करके हम आए वी रिप्लेस. और उसके बाद अगर टारगेट वॉज कि क्योंकि इसमें एक साइकिल है शुरू में थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है फिर आप बिल्ड कर रहे होते हैं. बिल्ड करने के बाद आफ्टर फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर में फिर बिल्ड हो जाता है. तो वो प्रोसेस है. मतलब वी मतलब अगर टारगेट वॉज दैट 3 इयर्स वी मतलब डू 100 करोड़ बिजनेस. बट मैं भी बोल रहा हूँ कि अभी हम शायद नेक्स्ट ईयर 100 करोड़ का बिजनेस कर रहे हैं क्योंकि अब तक हम 16 करोड़ का बिजनेस कर चुके हैं 5% रिटेंशन. देयर इज नो एक्सपेंस. मेरा कोई एक्सपेंस नहीं है. मतलब जीरो एक्सपेंस सर टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू हो रहा है. शायद पार्ट प्लस में तो आई थिंक यू आर द पार्टनर यू आर द इन्वेस्टर. So you can take feedback from Park Plus. They मतलब उन्होंने बहुत सारा कंपैरिजन किया सारी वेबसाइट से. फिर उन्होंने हमें चूज किया अभिषेक और अमित तकोटिया. राइट.
उन्होंने भी एको स्नैच किया है सर, उन्होंने भी एको
एको
स्नैच.
से हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया है और टोटल कंप्लाइंट मॉडल उन्हें उन्हें आईडी ने बुला लिया पुराने मॉडल पर. बट तो वो दैट्स व्हाई ना वी बिल्ड B2B. गॉट इट. या प्लीज गो अहेड.
So that was, so again we started this this journey with a startup, and slowly and gradually we increased up to the SMEs, and now we are focusing on NBFC and the banking, the domains to through this technology to make presence SMC in all across. So what here we are giving without there is a zero burning cost, and the technology what we have been developing. I'm just going to highlight because we have been developed a kind of the plugin system जहाँ पे where he can just plug in into their mobile app and automatically their SMC journey will proceed. So that is again a wonderful, and this is a kind of a wonderful experience what we are getting from the market all across. And the both side from my side and from the our partner side, they don't need any kind of the tech integration cost. So that is again a new thing what we have been done. Also, the branches, as the 40, it was in the 20, and then it is a 5, and because of the digital transformation, we have been done. Also, the business focus was in financial year 20, it was on an MISP and life only. Now we have been added through the technology, and we have been penetrated new markets through the technology. That was the alliance tie-up, and very strongly and very rapidly we are moving into that process, and we are getting a very feedback and a strong recommendation from the market as well. So as the Praveen ji rightly
As of
mentioned,
now, we have tied with 33. इसमें 30 currently था तो we have 33 now.
yeah, today just one MOU we have been got signed up, so it is almost now 34. So we keep on adding, we are keep on doing, and then the best part, we are the player, they are just removing their existing the partners, and they are coming with us. That is because of the two reasons. One is obviously we are 100% the comply oriented, and the second is that whatever we are committing, we are standing, whether it's the technology, whether it is the commercials. So then other part is your dealership. Yes, this is the related to the the Honda and the Kia business. That was the 350. It was in financial year 20. Now it is not 294. and that was because of this delta percentage deviation is because of the rationalized by the OEMs. Also, the expansion, if in terms of expenditure, if we talk about the financial 20, so in the technology we have been expanded 8 million, while in the financial 23 it is
Yes,
61 million.
these are straightforward. We've been through this.
Yeah. So
We
that
have
was.
to work on making everything, just the tech journey you guys have had.
तो चेन्नई मतलब भैया you will see this is the only company where the revenue premium and revenue is almost doubled or growth was there and number of employees and branches has been reduced. That's a clear cut pride of the technology and the
Right.
validity of the technology working is fine.
Great to see.
And hardly you will get the I think a couple of broker it would be there, including SMC. You would be getting the profitable balance sheet, in terms of this broking business.
I think 5, 6 years ago, I had spent time on both Aditya Birla brokers and Mahindra brokers, and they were both struggling to be profitable.
Yes,
Despite
it's still there.
We are in, I think that 12 years we are in profit. Yes. Let's go. Actually, our focus is now we are spend first customer, then partner, then insurance company, then us. Clear है सबको पता है कि कोई भी डिसीजन लेना है तो कस्टमर को सेंट्री लेके लो अदरवाइज पार्टनर को लेके लो फिर उसके बाद इंश्योरेंस कंपनी हम सबसे लास्ट में आता है ये हमारी फर्स्ट है तो जिससे ना चीज़ें चल रही होती है हमारी
amazing to see how I mean आपके दोनों growth और profitability से दिखता है.
Right.
Next
So
slide, please.
next slide, please. So fine, this journey was, as I mentioned, the post-COVID. So this journey was started since November 21st, and we started doing the empanelment with the insurance company. We started making the solution architect and everything, and finally we reached up to the 20, 10 live products, along with the more than 150 your insurance company's APIs. And if we talk about your the products, so we are having the private car, two-wheeler, health, term life, investment. So we are having the 10 products which have been live. Also certain the key performance indicators we have been done, and we developed the matrices. That was kind of a single URL we have been developed, that is applicable for our B2B, B2C, and B2E player. And as per my finding and as per my understanding, might be I'll be wrong, but this is the one, the platform from where the entire B2B, B2C, and B2B, all three segment kind of the user can get login from the single domain. While other player, whether it is your the policy bazaar, whether it is your determined, they have the different domain for the partners, they have the different domain for the customers. So we have developed such kind of the platform, so the customer or the user or the partner would not have the confusion where they have to get login and where they have to get logged out. Also, we have made a kind of automated post onboarding registration process that has been slightly, we have been used the AI. We cannot say the 100%, but yes, we have been used the AI to onboard the post, and that hardly it will take the onboarding system. That would be the less than 50 seconds. Also, we are having the recently we have been developed with the input by the Praveen. That was the garage based quotations. So suppose if I am driving the Honda car, so if you want to fetch the quotation on the basis of nearest cashless garages based the vehicle quotation, so I can go on the basis of that garage based quotation. Please, please.
Yes, yes. I took this theme ना from Airtel ad. कि 10,000 मेरे हॉटस्पॉट में मुझे करना मेरे घर पर तो कवरेज नहीं आ रही ना. That's why वहाँ से पिक किया मैंने ये कि गैराज का 10,000 कैशलेस है मुझे ये करना है. मेरी गैराज कैशलेस में जहाँ पर मैं गाड़ी बेचता हूँ उसमें कौन सी कंपनी है जिसमें मेरे तो हमने कैशलेस हमने गैराज कैशलेस के हमने कर दिया कि अगर सपोज जहाँ से मेरी गाड़ी जा रही है जो डीलर है उस गैराज का नाम लिखूंगा उसकी उसकी फोटो उससे उसके आएंगी तो उस गैराज पर कौन कौन सी कंपनी की कैशलेस
Yeah.
no problem. We are the first one जिसने लॉन्च किया है.
Right. Also, that is another the wonderful feature what we have been executed, that is SMS based quotations. So if you would be just sending a one SMS along with the vehicle number or particular number what we have been given, so you would be getting the quotations of your vehicle via a link. So no need to go on the portal, go and fill the basic details. Automatically system will pull out the entire details and they will land on your the quotation piece. So that is another the new things we have been developed. Also, the certain other lot of things we have been developed in the so far, that is, scanning the vehicle number. Then, the proposal is, the journey, so no need to go and fill the personal details and other things. Automatically the system will pull out, and automatically he will be.
You just click the you just mobile पे just click the picture the car number and
Yeah,
कोड आएगा। आप नंबर लिखिए एसएमएस पे व्हाट्सएप पर आपको सेम कोड आ जाएगा। एंड वी जस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस मतलब अभी तक लॉन्च नहीं किया हमने जीरो वेटिंग।
and
कोई
that is in the
कस्टमर
beta testing.
किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पर जाएंगे हम प्लेटफॉर्म पर हम करेंगे तो 10 से 15 सेकंड लेता है कोड आने में।
Right.
नंबर डाला हमारा इंस्टेंट आएगा मतलब जीरो वेटिंग जीरो जीरो सेकंड वेटिंग एंड कोई सब ये सब किया है एंटर मारिए इंश्योरेंस कंपनी का सब सेम सेम मतलब इंस्टेंट आएगा किसी
Yeah.
भी अभी अभी किसी के पास नहीं है ये सब वो जस्ट तो एफिशिएंसी हम इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बढ़िया हो गया है इसका।
Experience along with the innovation and the creativity what we can do. Also, the base and the one of the innovative thing what we have been done, that is the research based content we are, the putting into our platform. So baki jagah pe what they are doing, they are just, taking the content, or doing from the chatbot or here and there, and they're just stuffing into their platform for the getting the SEO and the Google ranks. But we are also focused about giving the quality level of the content to give, the quality full message to our customers, users and partners.
जो इंडस्ट्री के जो टॉप नोच लोग
Right.
उनसे लिखवाए जितना भी
Right.
आर्टिकल है सब कोई भी ऐसे रैंडम बंदे ने नहीं लिखा टोटल जो बंदा डोमेन का है सीनियर बंदा है उसने सारे लिखे हैं बंदे सारे।
Right. So this is the whatever we are doing. It's not just a sake of just making a platform, passing to the, just making a competitive things to our other competitors. We are just developing and we try to do the innovation and new things, and then that would be giving the value add-ons to our customer along with, the our the competitors. So that was something about, what we have been developed so far. Could you go on the next slide, please? This was certainly the screenshot has been taken for a platform, the registration of the post, how the post will get registered, how you will get the, instant SMS. Although this number has been changed, so but this was, the old slide has been taken. How the claim intimation could be done. So if the any intimation, any customer will visit our website, so he can intimate the claim, and automatically the next process will be get initiated. And this is the backend panel which has been showing the booking management system. So whatever the things have been happening, whatever the activities have been happening by the partners, by the customer, by the employees, or whosoever, that entire thing would be tracked by them on the real time basis, along with the, the entire details, their IP, their, the location, their, the lead details. Entire thing will be captured, and it will be, monitored by the, the concerned, super admin, or the concerned reporting officer. So that was in a kind of a certain screenshot glance has been given, but there are, more than 100 module and sub modules and sub modules have been developed and deployed into this smcinsurance.com platform. So it is very difficult to show the entire screenshot here. And yes, this is your, sorry.
Just cognizant of time, I think we've gone through the next slides, and I think those are clear. Maybe we jump to the finance section for 5-7 minutes. That's for just the
Please.
cost heads. Um,
Yeah.
so
Yeah. Yeah. So basically, as already mentioned, we are a profit-driven company, and we are in profit since almost 10 to 12 years now. We are going at a so basically our premium is growing at a CAGR of 18.6%. So is our revenue is also increasing at a CAGR of around